If you're looking for a functional, compact SUV with reliability and safety for your whole family, then take a look at this 2024 Jeep Compass Limited in bright white. With active lane management system, drowsy driver detection, 18-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and crosspath detection, front bucket seating, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 19,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, select terrain system, split folding rear seats, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjb.com. Stock number P90113.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.